Hi and welcome to John's Maths book. In this video, I'm going to be looking at finding the indefinite integral of 1 divided by Cos²Θ d theta. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and I'd be delighted and honoured if you'd subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's go to the whiteboard. Let's look at how we find the indefinite integral of 1 divided by Cos²Θ d theta. To evaluate this, we need to use a trig identity to help replace 1 divided by Cos²Θ with something that we can more easily integrate. For this integral, we can use the trig identity 1 divided by Cos² is equal to the secant of theta. Now, if we square both sides of this equation, we are left with 1 divided by Cos²Θ is equal to the secant squared of theta. We can now replace the original integral with the integral of secant² d theta. The antiderivative of secant² theta with respect to theta is the tan of theta. So our final answer is tan theta plus a constant of integration.